using the selfie stick at the beach doesn't hold up because the sand will get caught up in the cam adjusters, and the metal is not stainless steel, so they don't normally last that long. That's another view of it. I made my own knobs using Weld. There's another view of it. I removed this part from the selfie stick and tapped a 1032 thread into it for the knob. I will leave a parts list in the description. This is a 1/4 20 cap head screw. I had to grind down one side to fit it down the neck of the selfie stick for the repair. That is the Weld. That's after. You have to use a 1/4 20 nut underneath the mount so you can align it properly.